Hi guys, I've got a mini problem with the Kirby. I've had it since I fixed it, or maybe even before. Basically what happens is, just connect this up. Right, it works fine with the hose on, as I'll just show you. See, it works fine, but get that off. I think that's right up here. But it will not work with this. Let me just. That's as far as I can get it, and put it down. Nothing happens. Nothing at all. I know that. I've not put that properly because I know it won't start up. What I want to know is, I mailed Kirby last week or something, and they said it was to do with the safety